Fışfış and the Silly Frog. Once upon a time, in a far, far away pond, there lived a very curious little fish named Fışfış. Every morning, Fışfış would wake up and say, "What can I jump into today?" One day, something new came to the pond. It was the silly frog. The silly frog would try to jump, but always fell down with a big splash. Because of his giant feet, every time he jumped, it went PLOP. When Fışfış saw this, he started laughing. Silly frog, are you jumping or are you hugging the ground? The frog giggled. I'm jumping, but I think the earth really loves me. It keeps catching me. From that day on, Fışfış and the silly frog had a daily competition. Who can make the funniest song when they jump? Sometimes it was PLINK, sometimes PLOP, and sometimes even SHPLOSH. The whole pond echoed with laughter. The fish blew bubbles and the frogs danced happily. And while everyone lived happily ever after, one day the frog jumped and got stuck on a tree branch. What happened then? Even the trees started shaking with laughter.